When we talk industry renaissance, we talk about learning from the past, but also predicting the future by using different types of data processes and business models. It is a huge new paradigm of new technologies that are being adopted to solve business problems.
The most interesting part of this forum is to be able to see what the future will look like and to see the new tools and also technology that will bring us forward.
The discussion on the stage was amazing. I think I learned a lot from other panelists, and I also learned a lot from the keynote speakers.
I had a good opportunity to look at some of the things that Dassault was doing in the playground they have set up here at the event, and they're doing some really interesting, exciting things which are not just focused on sort of digitizing the past, but they're doing much more than that.
I think the technology is quite amazing. It allows you to visualize and create scenarios and run simulations before we make decisions.
Dassault uses the word experience. So I think it's a very powerful way of translating business value or operational activity into basically value creation.
What 3D experience delivered is the way we can understand ourselves, through a digital twin, which I think is the future.